Aaron McCrite, and I'd like to talk to you today about a mobile commerce expansion plan for New Horizons Nursery. This will be a final project for the e-commerce class at Dickinson State University. Also, I'd like to give a big thank you to Tony Sacco and the staff at Columbia Basin College and the Computer Science Department for the knowledge of making this video. We'd like to talk about New Horizons' mobile commerce expansion plan, and the purpose of this plan is to reach contractors in the field and be an on-site resource for homeowners and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. We'll do this by providing our clientele on-site project management for smaller contractors, inventory management for larger construction companies, consultations for do-it-yourselfers, homeowners, and other possible on-site contacts and sales. We plan to add the ability to order sod, plants, trees, and additional landscaping items via the internet. We want to simplify our customers' projects by giving them easy ways to purchase items and have them delivered if desired. We will enable the use of mobile inventory verification, delivery assignment and scheduling, the ability for our staff to work with subcontractors to arrange labor and with the scheduled deliveries. We will also offer larger construction companies the ability for us to manage their landscape inventory through our company. How will we accomplish this? We plan to equip our sales staff with various smartphones containing applications such as mobile project management applications, mobile ERP system. This allows for the purchase, checking of inventory, and scheduling inventory. A customer portal access to allow our customers who carry inventory with us to access this information through the mobile phones. We'd also like to provide high-resolution pictures for customers who would like to see various landscape options prior to purchase. This would also create a connection with the customer to create a need for an in-house consultation to provide them with landscape layouts for their home projects. We will have a firewall for our security on all of our servers. We will have two servers. One will be web-based, the other will be a firewall. We will have one dedicated security, one dedicated as web server, where our database information will be stored. Our servers will be on a secure operating system designed to work with E and M commerce applications. The applications themselves will follow a WP architecture. Possible ethical issues we may have is use of company equipment for non-company purposes. IT personnel initially will report to finance accounting due to the sensitive information contained on these servers. This may change in later stages on the rollout development. The costs. What it will cost us is one dedicated employee for managing the IT and ERP system. We'll also purchase applications for the mobile project management and the ERP system with mobility modules, visual inventory, web access, mobility add-ons for smartphones. The hardware will be a web server and a firewall. We will also pay for implementation services, an annual service fee, and training costs. What it will cost us on the dedicated employee, as you see here, $40,000 annually. The applications $150,000, hardware $45,000, implementation $23,000, annual service $3,000, training $11,000, for a total of $272,000. Benefits that we're planning on are exposure to construction companies as a service and solution provider for their landscaping project needs, exposure to community residents as a consultation service, and based on current economic projections, the increase in sales on the following. Outside sales, we see an increase of 25%. Web sales, as a beginning, will increase overall sales of 13%. Creating a project management department and project management tasks will increase $65,000 annually. $45,000 annually, excuse me. And the creation of a construction inventory management program will be $65,000 annually. Based on an return on investment, we see this happening within 18 months. And here are our totals here. We'll need to make some changes at New Horizons. One of these changes will be creating a position for a dedicated ERP system, or IT person to handle the ERP system, the web server, and the security server. Current employees will also need to implement their training on the new ERP system and the inventory tracking. There will be a concentration on inventory accuracy, which will include new cycle count procedures. We'll also need to create a new continuous improvement program that will be developed to help us create new procedures to better streamline operations. Most of our advertising will be at the nursery, in addition to standard radio, TV, and print, including direct marketing to contractors. However, we will also roll out a plan to add low to no cost social networking advertisement, plus a website that will handle our purchases and allow for online catalog of our merchandise. We also plan to create a blog that will list monthly specials and features of our monthly spotlight from our inventory. This special will coordinate with the seasonality of our products and work to not only advertise our products but offer how-to and purchasing tips for our customers. That concludes our plan for the New Horizons Nursery, where our desire is turning the desert to an oasis, one project at a time.